So, andito pa rin tayo sa Cypress Towers to check this new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So, this is a corner unit, 72 square meters, 3 bedrooms, around 5.2 million or 73,000 per square meter. And this is first come, first serve. So, if interesado kayong mag-offer dito, please message us directly.
3 bedrooms.
So,
3 bedrooms.
this is the unit. Makalat lang siya. Madumi. Kailangan ng major cleaning and repairs. Maganda dito corner. So magandang lighting and ventilation nyo. And then from your living and dining area, may maliit kayong balcony.
Pool.
Facing BGC and amenity area. Ganda ng view. And then, meron tayong common bathroom dito. Yun nga lang talaga kailangan to ng matinding deep cleaning. Bedroom 1 and then this is bedroom 2. Pwede ka na magtanim ng ano dito, ng palay or ng toge. Sobrang kapal ng...
Dalawa rin yung balcony.
And then ito yung masters.
Hindi na mapasok.
May balcony din siya. Then pasukin ito masyadong maalikabok. Baka hikain tayo. So this is as is where is upon turnover. If you are interested to make an offer, please message us directly. Below market and zonal value na po to. And location nito is Prime. Yan, ang lapit sa BGC and McKinley Hill. Check natin yung amenities nila. 3 towers siya eh. Swimming pool nila.
Pwede i-video mo itong building.
Adult and kiddie pool.
Yan, para kita nila.
Diba? Toilet. Saan ang gym nila dito?